Okay, let's do the W shoulder press. Make sure to watch this video all the way through. Understanding the setup, movement, and details will help you perform this exercise safely and effectively. The W shoulder press primarily targets your shoulder muscles, especially the deltoids, while also engaging the triceps and upper chest. The unique W position emphasizes stability and improves range of motion, making it an excellent exercise for strengthening your shoulders and building control in your upper body. Strengthening these muscles is essential for everyday movements and injury prevention, especially as we age. To start, stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with your elbows bent and positioned slightly below shoulder height. Your arms should form a W shape with your palms facing forward. Engage your core and keep your back straight and your neck neutral. From this starting position, press the dumbbells upward and slightly outward until your arms are nearly straight but not locked. The movement should follow a natural arc, maintaining the W shape as your arms extend. At the top of the press, pause briefly and focus on contracting your shoulder muscles. Slowly lower the dumbbells back down to the starting W position, maintaining control throughout the descent. Keep your movements smooth and deliberate to maximize muscle engagement and minimize momentum. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions. Remember to keep your core engaged and avoid leaning back or arching your lower back. Proper alignment is key to both effectiveness and safety. This exercise builds not only strength but also stability, which is crucial for upper body function and overall fitness. Take your time, focus on your form, and feel the muscles working with every rep.